How to buy $DUO, Duolingo Owl token, crypto coin. If you're looking to buy the $DUO token, often referred to as the Duolingo Owl token, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy to get started with investing in this cryptocurrency. Disclaimer: before we dive in, it's important to remember that this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. Always do your own research and consider speaking with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. What is the $DUO token? The $DUO token is a cryptocurrency that gained popularity recently, trending as a hot investment opportunity. It's linked to the Duolingo Owl brand, though not officially associated with the app, and it has been showing promising growth. According to some sources, the token's value rose by 14,000% in just 24 hours, signaling a strong upward trend. At the time of writing, the $DUO token has seen an increase in liquidity by 98%, which suggests a strong market presence and growing interest from investors. How to buy $DUO token. Here's a quick and easy guide on how to purchase the $DUO token, step by step. Step 1. Prepare your wallet. To start buying any cryptocurrency, you need a crypto wallet. For this tutorial, we'll use the Phantom wallet, a popular option for managing Solana-based tokens. First, make sure you have the Phantom wallet installed and set up on your browser or mobile device. Ensure that you have enough funds in your wallet to make the purchase. You'll need either USDT or SOL to buy the token. Step 2. Access the token on the exchange. The $DUO token can be found on various decentralized exchanges, DEX, like Jupiter. Follow these steps. Open your Phantom wallet and log in. Navigate to the swap section of the wallet. You'll need the $DUO token's contract address, provided by the exchange you're using. Copy the token's address. The $DUO token's contract address should be available on the platform or website where you discovered the token. Paste the token's address in the Add Tokens section in your wallet. Choose $DUO from the list of tokens. Step 3. Swap and purchase the token. Once you've selected the $DUO token, enter the amount of tokens you want to purchase. The wallet will display how many tokens you'll receive based on your current balance. Double-check the transaction details, including any fees involved, and then hit the swap button. Step 4. Troubleshoot common issues. If you run into any issues with the transaction, the most common reason is slippage. This can occur due to price fluctuations during your purchase. To resolve this, go back to the page and adjust the slippage tolerance to a higher value. You can typically set it between 1% and 5%. Retry the transaction. Step 5. Complete your purchase. After adjusting the slippage and confirming the transaction, you should be redirected to a Jupiter provider page. From here, you'll finalize the transaction and complete your purchase of $DUO tokens. Additional tips. Referral codes. Some platforms offer referral codes that allow you to earn free crypto or rewards for using the service. Make sure to check the description for any available codes. Token tracking. Since the $DUO token is highly volatile, keep an eye on its performance and liquidity to make informed decisions about buying or selling. Conclusion. Purchasing the $DUO Duolingo Owl token is a relatively simple process as long as you follow the steps above. Always stay informed about market conditions and be mindful of risks when investing in cryptocurrency. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on crypto and other investment opportunities.